This 2015 Highland Ridge Open-Range Light 297 RLS is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, 73127 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Oklahoma City. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Highland Ridge is 31 feet 3 inches in length and features sleeps 4, microwave, air conditioning, oven, slide-out, smoke detector, refrigerator, LP detector, stove top burner, TV, awning, and 50 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features front bedroom, kitchen island, rear entertainment, rear living area. The unloaded weight of this 2015 Highland Ridge Open-Range Light 297 RLS is 7,835 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.